Discover the secrets to effortlessly peeling, cutting, and presenting fruits that will transform your kitchen experience. These simple techniques save time while adding flair to your table. Watch as ordinary fruits become extraordinary with these clever hacks anyone can master. Let's get started. Roll an orange on the table, applying gentle pressure with your palm. Take a regular tablespoon and carefully lift the peel first with the handle, then with the main part. With a smooth motion, move the spoon in a circle under the peel, separating it from the flesh. Remove the first half of the peel, then repeat the process with the second half. Quick, clean, and splash-free, the perfect way to peel an orange. Place the orange back in the peel if you want to eat it at work or outdoors. After peeling the orange, apply a little baking soda to your fingers. Gently rub and rinse with water. The soda neutralizes citrus acids, preventing flaking and itching. Make careful cuts around the watermelon's contour, forming a basket with a handle. Remove the flesh. Extract the watermelon flesh using an ice cream scoop, creating perfect balls. Remove the remaining flesh with a regular spoon. Use a sharp knife to beautifully shape the edges and handle of the basket. Fill the basket with colorful fruits: apple slices, tangerine segments, banana pieces, grapes, and watermelon balls. This bright summer treat will become a real decoration for any festive table. Cut off the top part of the pomegranate with the stem. Make careful incisions along the natural edges of the fruit. Gently pull the edges, opening the pomegranate like a flower with petals. The juicy seeds will remain intact, and your presentation will surprise guests with originality and beauty. Transfer the pomegranate seeds to a clean Ziploc bag and seal it tightly. Carefully crush the seeds with your hand or roll over the bag with a rolling pin, releasing the juice. Cut a small corner of the bag and pour the rich ruby juice into a glass. Enjoy a healthy drink without splashing and lengthy cleaning of the juicer. Cut the pomegranate in half lengthwise. Take one half and turn its seeds down over a deep bowl. Evenly tap the peel with a wooden spoon or stick. Watch as all the seeds easily fall into the bowl without excess splashes or effort. The clean ruby seeds will be ready to eat in seconds. Instead of manually removing strawberry stems, take a regular plastic drinking straw. With one motion, you'll not only remove the stem but also get rid of the tough white core. Open the avocado as usual. If the pit is firmly attached, carefully hit it with the blade of a knife and twist. It will easily come out with the knife. Find the natural edge on the banana that runs along the fruit. Gently press your fingers on this edge, as if squeezing out a blackhead. The peel will easily burst at this spot, allowing you to open the banana. Cut off a small tip of the banana and carefully pull the peel in different directions, opening it like a book. Simple and quick. Extend the freshness of cut fruits using homemade vacuum packaging. Close the bag almost completely, leaving a small gap at the edge. Insert a regular plastic straw into this gap and carefully suck the air out of the bag. When the bag compresses around the slices, quickly close the remaining part of the zipper. Wrap banana stems with aluminum foil immediately after purchase. The foil prevents the release of ethylene, a gas that accelerates ripening and spoilage of fruits. Find 3 small spots on the top of the coconut. Using an awl or strong nail, make holes in these points. Turning the coconut upside down, drain the refreshing coconut water into a bowl. Now gently tap with a hammer around the equator of the coconut until it splits into 2 even halves, and enjoy the fresh coconut meat. Cut off the top cap with the stem from a lemon and the desired number of slices. Cover the cut of the remaining part of the lemon with the cut-off cap and secure it with a toothpick. The natural protection of the peel will prevent drying and preserve the juiciness of the lemon in the refrigerator until next use. Cut a small cap from the top of the kiwi. Carefully insert a tablespoon between the peel and the flesh. With a smooth motion, move the spoon in a circle, separating the flesh from the peel. Pull out the whole peeled fruit with the spoon. Cut off the tops of the tangerine from both sides. Make one vertical cut to the center of the tangerine. Carefully unfold the segments into a long strip, which is convenient to eat yourself or offer to guests. Roll a lemon on the table with pressure and make a small hole. Now, when you need fresh lemon juice, simply take the lemon out of the refrigerator and lightly squeeze it over the dish. Use a regular bottle and a wooden stick to remove pits from cherries, sweet cherries, or olives. Cut the watermelon in half, then each half into equal slices without separating them from the rind. Carefully cut the flesh along the rind, keeping it in place. Cut the flesh into even pieces and slightly offset them in a checkerboard pattern. You'll get an original dimensional cut right in the natural plate. Take a large slice of watermelon and cut the flesh into even cubes without cutting through the rind. Carefully run the knife along the rind, separating the cut flesh but leaving it on the natural plate. Guests can easily pierce the ready cubes with a fork, enjoying juicy watermelon without extra hassle. And now I'll show you how to creatively cut a banana in the shape of a dolphin. And one more way. Cut off the top of the pineapple and divide the fruit lengthwise in half, and then again into quarters. Carefully cut out the flesh, separating it from the peel, but not removing it completely. Cut the flesh into even slices or cubes of the same size. Slightly offset the pieces in a checkerboard pattern, leaving them on the peel. This presentation not only looks impressive but also allows guests to easily take aromatic pieces with a fork.